Pinay bata, oh. Alec, patingin ng suot mong tsinelas.
Maganda.
Do I rock with my fit guy?
Ay, naku. Paano kasi, yung dala niyang Crocs, ang init sa paa. Eh, sobrang init dito.
And I got the blister from the
And
guy.
she got a blister. So, suot niya yung tsinelas ko. Bibili kami ng tsinelas ngayon.
Location, yes.
Where are we going?
In the baby
So, dito
section.
kami sa
Okay, we're not going.
super laking shop. Parang toy store. Ang init, walang AC.
Yes, syempre.
Shoot at. Ay, bakit ganon?
Okay,
Bakit
we're
ganito sa
going
earth?
somewhere else. Let's go back.
Sobrang init. Grabe. Well, kasi nga, it's not common to have air conditioning in Europe, but come on. Climate change, dapat may AC na sila. Ay, Alec.
Hi guys! Hey! I'm...
So, natapos
What?
kami
This
dito
video?
sa Smith, sa Smite, BMM,
Guys,
And it's
I bought
all-
this needle. It's so weird.
and it's all big shop. And guess what? Wala silang AC. Ang init. Grabe. Alam mo yung para kang nasa Dubai
Guys,
na
it's so glittery.
para kang nasa Dubai na walang AC. Ay, grabe. Ang sakit sa ulo ng init.
Dinosaur prints.
So,
Is there actually
we
dinosaurs?
decide na lang na mag-ikot-ikot sa sasakyan. At least dito may aircon sa car namin. Kasi sa shop walang aircon. Guys, ang init.
Guys, don't mind if you can't see my face. I'm just putting my needle on the AC. Because it's
First
so hot.
time namin naranasan ganito kainit as in. Unbelievable.
Like super init.
As in super init.
Is it like more
Kaya di
init
kami
here than the
makapaglibot eh.
Netherlands?
Kasi, kung maglilibot ka, maglalakad ka ng ganito kainit, grabe,
You
di
can go
mo
by
kayanin.
car.
Yeah, but you cannot walk. Like yesterday, we walk a lot. It's okay. Pero ngayon, itong oras na to, anong oras na? 4:26. Tirig na tirig yung araw. Parang nasusunog sa labas. Masakit sa ulo. Buti na lang ba
Anyways,
ano
I
kayo
have
malabot
this
na tubig.
stress toy and it feels so good, guys.
Yan dagat. Maganda
It's kind
siya.
of squishing me.
Yes, I know. Kaso, ayaw namin bumaba kasi ang init. Restaurant sa paligid. Kasi yung restaurant, outdoor din. At pag nag-upo ka dyan, init-init, disunog ka. Ayun yung flag ng England and flag ng Wales. Kasi we're in South Wales. Ayun, meron pa dito. So, ang init naman. Sino ba nang uupo dyan at
Tapos
iinom?
na.
Kasi ang init.
Joking.
Ganda siya. O, tama may nag-jet ski.
The jet ski.
Dito. I think that's for rent. Kaso kung walang AC dyan, Diyos ko, ang init. Grabe, exposed na exposed sa araw. Pero maganda tong lugar na to. Kaysa kung nasaan kami naka-check-in ngayon. And tapos, naka-mention no, 1988 pa yun.
Seashore.
Yung Seashore Grilled.
Grill and bar.
Grill and bar. Grabe no. Tibay nila, nakaupo sila sa araw. Umiinom ng alak.
Trying to be
Hindi
so
ko kaya yan.
mayabang, guys. Like, oh my god.
Na, Alec, alam mo ba ibig sabihin ng mayabang?
I don't know.
Hindi yun mayabang, anak. Tikas nga sila. Imagine mo in this heat, sitting outdoor and drinking alcohol. Wow!
We're in the shade.
May heat stroke ako dyan.
Guys, I love my squishy.
Sakit nung plug ng ng rail sa
That's
dragon.
super cute.
Kasi nga ayoko bumaba, guys. Ang init kasi. Ayoko maglakad. So, ganito kainitan. Pero gaganda ng bahay doon ako ng mansion. Lalaki. So, this area, it's nice. Actually, not bad. South Wales is a nice, nice city.
Area, you mean?
Nice area. Ang ganda ng bahay yun. Tapos mababait naman yung mga tao. Like the other part of UK.
Some pretty houses here.
And there's so many pretty house. Massive. Lalaki nila yung iba. Pero, napansin ko rito, Han, very rare that there's a house with solar, no?
Yeah.
Unlike in the Netherlands kasi guys, most of the houses, we have solar panels. Like for example, our house also we have solar. And we're gonna add solar
We have
next
a
month.
new solar.
We have a new solar. How many solar panel we have? 12?
We're gonna have 12.
12. So we'll add 12 solar panels. Kasi malaking tipid talaga yun sa kuryente, guys. Malaking tulong. Lalo na pag ganitong summer, ang sunset sa Netherlands is around 10 o'clock o 9:30 in the evening. So, yeah. Kahit na overnight ang AC mo kasi nasa init. Gaganda nung house dito. Kahit overnight ka sa AC, okay lang kasi may solar ka, di ba?
And
Ganda
the
ng
waterfront.
Brewers Fair Restaurant.
What?
Brewers Fair Restaurant.
British Fair Restaurant. Ito, medyo maganda rito.
Oh, this is
Ayan,
nice
ganito kami
place.
ikot-ikot.
As
lang
the
kami
boy,
by car.
as the boy.
Kasi I don't want really to walk in this weather. No. Pinya.
Yeah, because we are allergic to sun.
Not that I'm allergic. I don't mind to get dark, you know. But the sun here is really it's so pain in the skin.
Yeah,
My
that's true.
gosh. Can you imagine, like during winter, our window is open. It's like -20 in our room. And then now it's summer and then we're in the heat. Diba? Ang init.
I
Grabe.
prefer winter because then I can
Me
all
too.
get cozy and stuff like
The
that.
only thing that I don't like in winter is kasi ang aga dumidilim.
Oh, mega us.
3-4 o'clock pa lang. Ang summer kasi, yan nga, 10 o'clock, maliwanag pa. So parang ang dami mo pwedeng gawin.
Yeah,
Yan ako sa street. Oh.
no, it's true.
And by the way, dito sa UK, right hand sila sa pagdadrive.
I think
all
everyone
right,
knows that.
Yeah, maybe. Some of them maybe not. You will never know.
For the
Like
people
there,
who don't.
there's a
I wanna go
train.
straight.
That's
Grabe.
real. Let's go to the fair.
Ayun, there's fair. Grabe yung mga tao dito. They're like shrimp.
Guys, look at those guys.
What's
They're not
wrong with
wearing-
these white people? You will never get tan. You
Oh
will
my
just
God.
get burned.
What kind of fair is
Look.
At least wear sunscreen.
No, they're not scared to have a skin cancer, but it's not a joke. With this climate change, I'm not scared to get dark. I'm scared to get skin cancer because of the heat. You know, they said, meron ako isang nakitang nagbablog na Pilipino lang ang nagpapayong. Kasi we Filipinos, we care about our skin. Yung iba nga nagkakaroon pa ng skin cancer, although nag-aano na, di ba? So
We
where
Dutch
are we?
people and British people don't care about their skin.
Yeah, you don't care about your skin.
Yeah, I do.
You don't get dark as them already they're dark.
Oh, there's some Maganda.
Oh my god.
And careful with the door of the car. Where? Atlantic Ocean?
Yeah.
Ganda guys. Oh, grabe. Ganda ng scenery. Do you say scenery?
Yes.
Ganda. Oh, look. Alec, look.
Yeah, I can see it. I can't really look because there's
Ganda doon, no? This is like countryside. Nasa countryside kami. Ang ganda, promise. At ang ganda, sarap siguro dito tumira. Tapos may mga car lang dito, mga nakapark. Nagpapahinga. Nag-fall down, ganon. Private coast. Ganda nung ano. Sure, I think it's a hotel apartment. Wow. So this side of Wales is very beautiful. Parang postcard lang.